Can you see the school? See the school, it's burning down. The hotel on the left-hand side has burnt, like completely burnt, because the incident happened right in the front of the hotel. And there's a school directly opposite to it. The school is burning down now. Like seriously burning down. God can only save our area. See the area. There's no way fire extinguishers can come into this area like this. Like see the areas. Very bad road. The roads are not good. Fire extinguisher will take nothing less than 3 to 4 hours to get in here. Please, we'll pray for Matogun.
Baba, àwọn ará ìṣọ́jú àgán kọ́ ẹ̀ká pè wọ́n.